What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to WiseAss Adventures. If you are returning, if you are new to the channel, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button as well as that notification bell. It really helps the channel out so much. Without further delay, let's get into some Florida fishing.
That's a flounder. That's a flounder. Nice one too. Bringing them over towards you.
That's not a flounder, that's a monster.
Oh, that's a what?
It's a monster.
Oh, oh.
Take it out, we're not moving. Coming on.
There we go. Come on, coming towards you. Oh, got him right there. Oh, hey. Oh, you had him.
I hit him in the head. I got him this time. Sorry.
That's cool. Come on, right there, right in the. Oh,
Right
come right. You're under that.
one more time.
Got him. Sweet.
That is a fucking.
Woo! No kidding. Nice.
overall, I ended up with 4 nice fillets from this flounder. And with all the stone crab that I've been catching in my traps, I'll probably just end up making some crab stuffed flounder with this. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea. If maybe I'll make a video on that. But thank you very much for watching this episode of Wise Guys Adventures, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you like this kind of content and what other stuff you want me to possibly post on here.